Ni hao, Taja hao! It's me again, Bugs Kitchenette, and today's video ay gagawa po tayo ng baby spinach salad with enoki mushroom. So ito na yung aking final product. So tara guys, samahan niyo ako at turuan ko kayo kung paano. Tara! So our ingredients here is of course yung ating baby spinach. So, nahugasan ko na to guys. Sinoko ng 15 minutes sa tubig na may asin. And then, wash it thoroughly. And then, hinati ko sa gitna. So, hiniwalay ko yung leaf at saka stalk. And now, we need here enoki mushroom, of course. Hinati ko din sa dalawa. So, malinis ito guys. Nahugasan na to. We need here also shredded carrots. And ito yung ating black fungus. So, bin-blanch ko siya guys for 5 minutes. And then, pinag-cut ko siya na into lengthwise. Yung bite size lang. And then, we need here also the 3 cloves of garlic. Minced na siya. So, kailangan din natin dito ng sesame seeds, light soy sauce, black vinegar, sesame oil, and olive oil. But normal oil will do na guys. So, tara. So, in a large pan, maglagay tayo ng 1 liter of water. And then, lagyan natin ng 1/2 tablespoon of oil. And 1 teaspoon of salt. And bring it to boil guys. So sa ating garlic dito, ilagyan natin ng 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. In a small pan, maglagay tayo dito ng mga isang kutsarang mantika or 1 tablespoon of oil. So ano na natin hanggang mausok yung mantika natin. So, ayan na guys, na parang nauusok na yung mantika natin. So, patayin natin yung ang apoy and then leave it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, ilagay natin dito sa ating garlic and sesame seeds. Ayan. Lagay tayo dito ng 2 teaspoon of light soy sauce. And 3 teaspoon of vinegar. Maglagay din tayo dito ng 1 teaspoon na sesame oil. Para maging balance yung taste natin, lagyan natin ng 1/4 teaspoon ng sugar. And then haluin lang natin. Hanggang ma-dissolve. So, kumulo na yung ating tubig. Ilagay natin yung ating enoki mushroom. I-blanch natin guys ng 1 minute muna. So, medyo matigas kasi yung enoki mushroom, kaya 1 minute siya guys. After 1 minute, ilagay na natin yung ating carrot, yung stalk ng ating baby spinach. For 20 seconds lang to guys. And then the remaining 10 seconds, ilagay natin yung leaves ng ating baby spinach. So, after 1 minute and 20 seconds, ilagay na natin yung ating leaf ng ating spinach. So, for 10 seconds lang to guys. Ayan. And then we're going to drain it. After draining it, we're going to put it in a cold water. And then, squeeze nyo lang siya guys. And, ilagay ko dito sa bowl. So, ilagay na natin yung ating na-blanch na black fungus. And yung ating ginawang sauce kanina. Pour it over. And we're going to mix it. Hanggang ma-well combine lang siya, guys. So, ayan. And now, lastly, we're going to put it in a serving plate. And it's all done. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless everyone. Bye! So, tikman natin yung ating ginawa. Tama-tama lang yung salt niya at saka yung asim niya. So, iyahin nyo guys, yung mga guest kayo yung Chinese, magugustuhan talaga to. Promise. Simple dish, as in, very simple recipe. So, ayan. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye!